Okay, so if I put together gaming, a laptop, I do imagine something in black with red accents, high refresh rate, and an incredible cooling solution. And this is exactly what we got here today. Hello everyone, I'm CheCo Tech, and what we got here today is the Acer Nitro 5, a laptop that have been making waves in the industry lately. So straight out of the box, we got the laptop itself, and over here we do have a very beefy charger. This is a 180 watt charger. So it's going to be perfect for all the power that this computer needs to get. And yet this is a little bit of a beefy laptop coming at 2.5 kilogram, but it's worth every single gram. So straight out the box, the Acer Nitro 5 can pack with some serious hardware. In this model we got here, we got a Alder Lake Intel Core i5 12500H with 12 cores, 16 threads, 4 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores, and a 2.5 gigahertz base clock and a 4.5 gigahertz wired turboing. Of course, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 in the model we got here, but this is fully upgradable up to 32 gigabytes. And we do have in this model 512 gigabytes NVMe SSD, but taking a couple of screws at the bottom, you also got an extra PCI slot to put more storage, up to 2 terabytes in one single drive. So one of the features that stand out of the Acer Nitro 5 over here is the 15.6 inch Full HD IPS display. It got a 144 Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time, making it perfect for gaming or streaming your favorite shows and movies. So the Nitro 5 over here got this beautiful red gaming accent keyboard, and you are not able to change it in this model. Other higher models like with the i7 or different models, yes, you got a fully backlit RGB. In this case, as I said, it's only gaming red, but it's perfect for late night gaming sessions, and a precision touchscreen down here at the bottom that is great for any productivity task whatsoever. On the left of the device, you will find a headphone microphone combo, a USB Type A Ethernet port here with this super unique clicky thing. But on the left hand side, we've got some LED indicators, another 2 USB Type A's to connect all your peripherals, but at the rear, we got a power barrel jack for, as I said, the included charger, 180 watts over here, one USB Type C, and a full HDMI at the back to hook it to any monitor whatsoever and just take the game into the next level. Above this beautiful display that I mentioned here is a 1080p 144 Hz display, 15.3 inch. We got a webcam here. It's not the best webcam in the world. It's just 1080p webcam. It does the job if you want to start streaming with it. I mean, this will handle any gaming streaming simultaneously whatsoever. So you got a webcam. I do recommend to get an external webcam if you're going to start streaming some games, but at least it's a nice touch up there. Another feature that sets the Nitro 5 from Acer over here apart is the advanced cooling solution, which keeps the laptop cool even during intense gaming, and I have put this thing through his pace. And how it performs, well, I've run some benchmarks, I've been testing some games and some plays. I will leave all the details here on the screen. For all the latest games, the Nitro 5 didn't disappoint whatsoever, and it handled everything through to it with ease, and the graphics look stunning on the high refresh display, and with temperatures kind of stable for laptop, reaching 100 degrees in some games and some occasions. But to be honest, it's something to expect in a laptop with all this power underneath this chassis over here. But overall, the Nitro 5 by Acer, I mean, it's been incredible. It's been an incredible machine for nearly a month. I've been using it so far. I've been playing a couple of games like Formula 1. I've been playing Assassin's Creed. I've been playing Rocket League and many, many other games. And it's handled anything that you throw to it, even video editing. I have edited the previous videos to this, so the video from Formula 1 arcade. If you haven't seen the video, please go and watch it. I have edited that video on here and it just flies. It's the RTX 3050 Ti with the i5 12500H. It's just a beast combination. But overall, cooling solution is brilliant. It does get a little toasty, as I mentioned, but luckily this got a very nice cooling solution. So at the bottom, you can see it's fully perforated over there, and all the air go with the blower fans inside and come out through the sides. So the sides do get quite toasty, but luckily the keyboard and the trackpad section do not get hot. So you can be playing hours and hours on this thing. And of course, being a gaming laptop, you will need to plug it in to use all the performance. If you don't plug it in, this will be using the integrated Intel graphics card. So of course, you will need to always have it plugged into the power to use 180 watts of charging over here to use all the power of the RTX 3050 Ti. But yes, this is a powerful gaming laptop that offers a great value for the money. And the best part, it's available right now in a very, very affordable price. I will leave the link in the video description down below. That has been my review for the Acer Nitro 5. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, you follow me on social medias. Thank you very much to Acer UK for providing this beautiful beast that we got here today, the Acer Nitro 5. If you're looking for any other videos, for, up here, you've got some videos, down here, probably as well. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I'm CheCo. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Adios.